Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool N.M.F right here, and basically what this is intensive hydrating face mask. You can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here, and this is the N.M.F. So you see in the bottom right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here in terms of what is the benefit of using it. If you guys turn it back right here, they explain how to actually use it. So basically my previous video, I actually tested another product from this brand before, like 2 other ones. And those been working well for other benefit. This one right here is supposed to give you guys the hydration benefit, the moisturizing benefit, the refining benefit, and also tightening benefit as well. But first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this actually looks like inside. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 10 of them. You can see this actually looks like inside. So everything that I saw in the outside the packaging is basically the same thing that's on here. But the steps of using the product is actually very simple. All you need to do is wash your face and dry it first, and probably use like a cleanser or toner if you guys want to. It is recommended for you guys to use like a cleanser or toner before you guys actually put this on. So that is basically everything that's included in the product right here. Let me actually go to the restroom and show you guys how to use this and how to set up, and also show you guys what it actually looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here I do have the product, and just like before, I'm going to show you guys how to actually use it. So first step I want to do is wash my face and rinse it first. I'm going to use my cleanser at my face before I actually apply this on. So I'm actually do that first. Alright, so we're going to be using the same cleanser from last time, which is from Courserex brand. I just want to put a little bit and just apply this onto my face. And right now when I feel my face on here, there's some beard on the side right here. So one thing to remember is that if you guys do have beard on the side right here, when you guys put on the face mask, it might not stick on too well. So you probably want to make sure I shave before I use it. But I'm still going to test it out to show you guys what it actually looks like and how it works. Alright, so after you guys wash your face and cleanse your face, you can definitely use a toner as well. But for this test, I'm not going to use a toner. So I'm actually apply this on to show you guys how to use it and what it actually looks like. So I'm going to open it up and then take it out. And then this is what the inside looks right here. So as I'm fully open it and then put it onto your face. Alright, so once you guys fully open it, this is what the inside looks like. Let's put it onto your face. You guys can fix any part that's sticking out. Alright, so once you guys apply it on, this is what the product looks like. You can see the bottom part right here, it doesn't stick too well because of the beard that I mentioned. But I'm still gonna leave it on and then show you guys what it actually looks like afterward. So I'll leave this on for around like 15-20 minutes and then come back and check on it. Alright, so I waited a little bit over 20 minutes. It's been roughly around like 25 minutes. You can see the bottom part right here is not sticking too well like I mentioned because of the beard that's on here. But basically everything on here is like fully dry and there's not a lot of liquid left. If there is any left on the face mask, you want to just take it off and just wipe it around your face. But right now it's pretty good. So what I want to do now is take it off. And then once you guys take it off, like I mentioned, if you guys have any extra liquid, you definitely just use it to wipe your face anywhere that you guys miss. And then you guys are all set. So that is basically how you guys use the product. Very simple and very easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little quick test of the product definitely actually does work. Actually works quite well. So after once you guys put this on, you can definitely feel like that hydration effect and also like a moisturizing effect when you guys actually use it. And like I mentioned earlier, I actually tested a few other products from this brand before. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one is best for you guys in terms of what you guys want. But now to come boxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of the deep warranties, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality face mask that give you guys all the benefits that's on here or the other ones that I mentioned as well. Then I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.